Yeah. Mahaganathipataye. Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Good evening. Good evening to all. Good evening, Shyam. First, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Anna. Yeah. There is a picture on the board. Kindly see, everyone. Two triangles are there. Triangle ABC and a triangle PQR. AD median of triangle ABC and PM is the median of triangle PQR. Okay. So there are two problems basing on this two figures. Two problems. One I gave you in pre-board 3 and one, both the problems are in NCERT textbook only. Both the problems are in NCERT textbook exercise problems. Okay. The one which is very easy I gave it in the pre-board 3. The one which is little bit difficult, that was there. So both I am going to explain today. Okay na? Yeah. First one, given AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. This is what given. And we need to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC, AD is the median from A to BC. And triangle PQR, PM is the median from P to QR. And it is given that the ratios AB by BQ and BC by QR and AD by PM are equal. And we need to prove the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay na? This model is very much important. Very much important. These two are. Okay na? And similarity criteria lo NCERT textbook lo ఈ మోడల్స్ కొంచెం ఇంపార్టెంట్. రైట్. సో I think we'll move. Okay. Proof. So I'll take this one. I'll go ahead with this one. AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. Okay. AB by PQ is equal to TC. Instead of BC, BC is divided into two equal parts. BC is divided into two equal parts by AD. So I can write BC as 2BD. In the same way, QR I can write 2 QM is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. Okay. So 2 get cancelled. What is remaining? AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. Now children, observe these three ratios. We got these three are equal. We got these three are equal. Okay. Now observe these three ratios in the figure. Observe those ratios in the given figure. AB by PQ, BD by QM, AD by PM. So what is your conclusion? What is your conclusion? Good evening. Yeah. Good. AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM na? So triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by triple S similarity. By triple S similarity. Okay? So therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q by CPST. CPST. Okay, na? Angle B is equal to angle Q. That means these two angles are equal. Why I took only those two? Since these two triangles are similar, I can say this angle equal to this angle also, and even this one equal to this one also. Is that right? Angle 1 and angle 2 are also equal. Angle 3 and angle 4 also equal, na? Because triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM, na? By triple S similarity. But I consider only angle B and angle Q, leaving the remaining two pairs. Why? Can anyone say? Yeah. I need to prove this one. Okay. And if you observe these two ratios and these two angles, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR and angle B equal to angle Q. If you observe that, what is that? AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Not only that, angle B is equal to angle Q. If you observe these parts. Okay, na? If you observe these parts, by SEIS criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. So this was the problem I gave in pre-board 3 for 5 marks. This problem was given in pre-board 3 for 5 marks. Okay. Now, I am going to explain the second model related to means, which is looking like this only, but in a different way. The second one. Second problem, we'll see. Right. Yeah. Now in the second problem, AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. This is given. Instead of BC by QR, it was given AC by PR. Understood, children? And we need to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, na? This was the model. Now, here we need to do something construction over here. To solve this problem, we need to do construction. What is that? Extend AD to E such that AD is equal to DE, join CE and BE. Okay. And in the same way, extend PM to S, join RS and QS. Okay, na? This is the construction that I am not writing here because the board is not sufficient. Okay, na? Now, proof. See here. If you observe quadrilateral ABEC, AE, BC are its diagonals. AE, BC are its diagonals, and you can observe clearly they are bisecting each other. The diagonals of quadrilateral ABEC are bisecting each other. In the same way, the diagonals of quadrilateral PQS are also bisecting each other because these two are equal by construction, these two are equal by given. So, in both the quadrilaterals, their diagonals are bisecting each other. So, we will call them as parallelograms. Okay, na? Quadrilateral ABEC and quadrilateral PQSR are parallelograms. You need to write the reason. Since their diagonals bisect each other. Since their diagonals bisect each other. Okay? Now, so therefore what we can write? We know that in parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Is that right? In parallelogram opposite sides are equal. That is AB is equal to CE, AC is equal to BE. This is because ABEC is a parallelogram. Not only that, PQ is equal to RS, PR is equal to QS because PQSR is a parallelogram. Now, consider triangle ABE and no. See here. Consider this ratio. This ratio. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. The given ratio. Consider the given ratio. Okay. Now I am going to make some changes in that ratios. You need to catch it clearly. Okay, now I am going to make some changes. See, AB by BQ as it is. I am not doing anything with that. No. Instead of AC, I will write BE. And instead of PR, I will write QS. Now, AD this one. So instead of AD, I will write half AE. Instead of AD, I will write half AE. And instead of PM, I will write half PS. Half PS. Okay. Half get cancelled. So what is remaining? AB by BQ is equal to BE by QS is equal to AE by PS. Children, observe this ratio. Observe those three ratios. AB by PQ is equal to BE by QS is equal to AE by PS. AB by PQ is equal to BE by QS is equal to AE by PS. Okay, na? So, from this, we can observe that triangle ADE is similar to triangle PQS by triple S similarity. By triple S similarity. So, I will call this angle as 1 and this angle as 2, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPST. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPST. So, why we are taking angle 1 and angle 2, what is the use of it anedi we will see at the end of the problem. Okay, na? So till here, I think all of you are understood that problem. Till here, okay, na, children? Okay. Now I am taking out this part of the answer. Again I am considering this one, the first one. What is that? AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. Now, again I make some changes. Instead of AB, I write CE. PQ, I write RS is equal to AC by PR, and instead of AD by PM, I write AE by PS. AE by PS, because AD is half AE and PM is half PS, so half of get cancelled. Directly we can take AE by PS. Now observe this ratio. AC by PR is equal to CE by RS is equal to AE by PS. Okay na? AE by PS is equal to AC by PR is equal to CE by RS. Okay. Now, so therefore, triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRS. Triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRS. Okay na? By triple S similarity. By triple S similarity. So, angle 3 and angle 4 are equal. By CP ST. Children, now if I add angle 1 plus angle 3, I am getting angle A. If I add angle 2 plus angle 4, I am getting angle P. So that means angle A is equal to angle P. Angle A is equal to angle P. Equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. Euclid వచ్చేస్తాడు ఇక్కడ. Equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. Euclid వస్తాడు కదా. Now, ఇప్పుడు ఈ given ratios లో you consider only these two. AB by BQ is equal to AC by PR and angle A is equal to angle B. Okay. From the given ratios, you consider only the first two. Only the first two. AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR and angle A is equal to angle P. So, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by SAS similarity criteria. By SAS similarity criteria. Understood, children? Is that understood? So the second model is little bit lengthy, not little bit lengthy. It's a lengthy problem, even though you have to learn it. Okay, na? So when you are going to an exam, kindly once see this, solve this problem and go. Okay. Maybe this question will be there in the board exam. Okay. Either this one or the previous one. You don't need to go unde avakasham undi. Okay. ఎందుకంటే ఈ మోడల్ చాలా కాలమైంది అడిగి, ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఈ రెండిట్లో ప్రాబ్లం అడిగి చాలా కాలమైంది, గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది బాగా. సో దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆస్కింగ్ one out of these two questions. So both you prepare and go. Okay na? Yeah. అలాగే మొన్న ప్రీ బోర్డ్ 3లో ఓ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది ఇలా, అలాగే 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 సంథింగ్ ఏదో ఇలా ఉంది. Prove that it is a composite number. అందరూ కరెక్ట్గానే చేశారు కానీ ఆ స్టెప్స్ రాయడంలో కానీ చాలా తప్పు చేసేసాను. అంటే ఏదో నేను మార్క్స్ ఇచ్చేసాను కానీ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఏ రైట్ వే. ఏంటేంటో చేసేసాను. యాక్చువల్గా ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు కానీ మీరు దాన్ని చాలా డిఫికల్ట్గా ఫీల్ అయినట్టు నాకు అనిపించింది. ఇంకా ఏముంది, వీ నీడ్ టు ప్రూవ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్. అసలు బేసిక్గా వాట్ ఈస్ కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్ తెలియాలి మీకు. వాట్ ఈస్ ఏ కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్? ఎనీవన్? వాట్ ఈస్ ఏ కాంపోజిట్ నంబర్? Anyone? What is a composite number? No one is answering. It should have at least 3 factors. A number which has more than 2 factors. A number which has more than 2 factors other than 1 and itself. Bhavya Pranati, adenti? Number which has more than 2 factors. Yes. 1 and itself కాకుండా ఇంకో 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్లు ఉండాలా భవ్య? Yeah. A number which is having more than 2 factors. More than 2 factors. 1 and itself కాకుండా 2 ఉండక్కర్లా, ఒకటి ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది. అదే అంటున్నాం, మోర్ దాన్ 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. నెంబర్ విచ్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ మోర్ దాన్ 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్. అవి 1 అండ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫే అనుకోండి, అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటే దాన్ని ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ అంటారు. మోర్ దాన్ 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఉంటే కాంపోజిట్ నెంబర్ అంటారు. ఓకే, రైట్. దిస్ ఈజ్ వన్ పాయింట్ యూ షుడ్ నో. సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ every number is a factor to itself. Every number is a factor to itself, and 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. మీకు బాగా అర్థం అవ్వడానికి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. 6 అనే నంబర్ ఉంది. ఇది కాంపోజిటా ప్రైమా అంటే దీనికి మనం మోర్ దాన్ 2 ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ అని చూపించేస్తే అది కాంపోజిట్ అయిపోతుంది. If we prove 6 is having more than 2 factors, right? Factor T తీసుకోవాలి. Okay. As I told you, 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Second statement, the number itself is a factor to itself. Means, and 2 is a factor of 6 and 3 is also a factor of 6. Now count how many factors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So more than 2 factors. So 6 is a composite number. Now if I consider 11, 1 is a factor of 11 and 11 is a factor of 11. What else is there? Is there any other factor for 11? Is there any other factor? No. That means 11 is having only 2 factors. Is that right? So we can call 11 as a prime number. Okay, na? I think now you understood the concept. Okay. We need to prove this number is composite. That means we have to show that it is having more than 2 factors. Okay. What I will do is I will take 5 common here. 5 common. What is remaining? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 1. Okay. ఇంకొంచెం పోలే ఇలా రాద్దాం 5 into 4 3 are 12 24 24 plus 1 25. Yeah, 5 into 25. So the given number is expressed as 5 into 25. Okay na? Now as I told, 1 is a factor of every number and the number itself is a factor and 5 is another factor, 25 is another factor. Are factors of 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. 1, the number itself, 5, 25 are factors of the given number. So since it is having 1, 2, 3, 4 factors, since it is having 4 factors, it is a composite number. From the definition of composite number, we can say that it is, since it is having more than 2 factors, the given number is a composite number. ఇక్కడ స్టేట్మెంట్ రావాలి ఏంటి? The given number is having more than 2 factors. A number which is having more than 2 factors is a composite number. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 is a composite number అని రావాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఆలోచించండి మీరు ఎలా ఆన్సర్ ఇచ్చారో దానికి. అలా ఇస్తే కొట్టేస్తారు బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. రేపు ఇంకొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ మోడల్స్ విల్ డిస్కస్ టుమారో. ఓకే, ఫర్ ది బోర్డ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్. ఓకేనా? సో ఫర్ టుడే యూ కెన్ లీవ్ అండ్ జాయిన్ విత్ మీ అగైన్ టుమారో. సో అందరూ లైక్ బటన్ క్లిక్ చేసి లీవ్ అయిపోండి. క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద లైక్ బటన్ అండ్ లీవ్. మహాగణాధిపతయే. Bye.